Morning, ladies and gentlemen. How many keys do I have to turn to get to the job? I don't know. Plenty. But yeah, so we're gonna take the excavator home, and before we do that, I will show you what across the street the county did a little scrapey and a no goody goody. So let me show you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys see, we're along the roadside here. You see the county scraped all this stuff and pushed stuff to the side. Not considering there's a driveway right here. Hey, you guys can see probably the white PVC pipe there, kind of denoting the driveway. Had a little African tulip tree, was kind of the other side of it. So what I'm just gonna do is gonna grab this stuff and kind of put it that way, just to clear this up, because this is actually one of the properties I mow, with the long road down that goes ziggy zaggy. So yeah, let me do that, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you guys can see, we cleared it up a bit. See that little fencing? It goes in around that tree. So yeah, we're finished. All right, time to cross the street, hope to not die, and load on up. All right. ladies and gentlemen, look what dropped out of here, finally. So, glad I'm taking this thing home. Oh, man. Yep. That was the wrist pin, the stick wrist pin bolt. I'm just gonna leave that here. I got plenty of extras, but boy, it was wondering when it was gonna come out. So, all right, let's get tied up and go home. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we got all the machines finally home again after a couple months. Feels good, feels good. Nice and covered, out of the sun, out of the rain. All right, so we got that done. Got the shop inspector over there, awesome dude. He always, you know, approves. But yeah, so little job video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and aloha.